everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today Bath & Body Works has new markdowns. So a lot of candles went 75% off. I know body care went back down to $3.99, like the everyday luxuries, and also the bringbacks also got reduced to $3.99 as well. Some laundry is 75% off. I seen that aromatherapy went 75% off. So we have a lot of new 75% off items. So I went into 2 different stores today and I'm going to share with you guys my haul. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and definitely keep on watching. This is my first store haul. So my store had a little table with 75% off candles, and I was so excited because this is the first time I've seen 75% off candles during this sale. And I didn't pick up many 3 wicks. I did get a lot of single wicks in this sale just because a lot of the 3 wicks I wasn't into, and I'm not just going to buy them just to buy them. But I did get the Emily in Paris Macaron Cloud. So I did not get this the first time around when it was available, and I'm glad I picked it up now. My store also had the other ones in this collection as well, but this is the only one I was interested in. And this retails for $29.95, and with the 75% off, it's $7.49. And it's just like cotton candy clouds. It is Macaron Delight, Parisian spun sugar, and pink berries. I remember hearing that this candle is very light when you burn it. I'm sure it is because it seems like it would be light because it's a lighter scent, but it's pretty and I'm excited that I got it. The second 3-wick candle I chose is the Lemon Espresso Twist. And I actually like this one. So this one retails for $24.95. I got it for $6.24. And this is espresso beans, warm vanilla, lemon peel. I think it's pretty. I mostly get the lemon, at least on cold. But I like it. It's like a fresh, clean scent. So I like the packaging. It's cute. Now I got some single wicks. So a part of the annual sale, they did come out with these single wick collection. So I got the Mango Mai Tai, and I think the packaging is just so cute in this collection. And this is fresh mango, nectar, exotic jasmine, sun-kissed grapefruit. It smells really good, like a juicy, sweet mango. So I'm happy for this one. And I also got the Ice Dragon Fruit Tea. And this is tropical dragon fruit, vibrant green tea, lemonade, sweet coconut milk. This smells really good too. I don't know. I like those fruity, sweet scents, and they smell strong on cold. And then I found this one from the summer, the coconut pina colada. Coconut milk, blended pineapple, and a splash of rum. Yes, just smells like a pina colada. It smells good. And I forgot to tell you the prices. So these ones are $15.95, and I got them for $3.99, so not bad. This one retails for a little more, $16.95. So it came up to $4.24. And then the last single wick I got at that store is coffee and whiskey. I really like the way this smells. This is bold Irish whiskey, splash of vanilla, hint of coffee. Yeah, it just smells like coffee and whiskey because I do have this in like a spray for men. It's kind of like sweet. I don't know, it's good. So I'm happy for that. I also have it in a wallflower I haven't used yet. And then, so on the app, we have an email exclusive sale, $2.99 for select hand soaps and wallflowers. I only got one hand soap. I got Mary Cookie just because I really, really like Mary Cookie and I wanted it. Buttery shortbread, vanilla bourbon icing, and spun sugar. Yeah, this is interesting. It has different notes in the body care. It just smells so good. I feel like I could get that bourbon, vanilla bourbon icing. That's good. I like it. And so that was $2.99. I'm still holding off for 75% hand soaps and wallflower refills for I know I got this. I'm just worried about it selling out. And then oh, and also, so when I go on the app and look at my store, like the stock in the store, it says they're like sold out of all these products, but when I go into the store, it's filled with all these products. So, it's not always correct on the BOPUS. Just keep that in mind. But, and then I did buy 3 things that were not on sale. So I did get these little pocket bags because they're so stinking cute. The mini cookie bites that everyone's been talking about, the blue raspberry freeze, and the pink bubble gum. We'll try the mini cookie bites. Obviously, alcohol. Oh, yeah, it kind of smells like chocolate. That's fun. After the alcohol dries down, it's chocolate. How fun is that? So, at the first store, my total discount was $95.47, and I ended up spending $42.45 with tax. So not bad. I mean, it would have been a lot cheaper if I didn't get these, because these are like $6 practically, $2 a piece. So it would have been a lot less, but I really wanted these. These are so cute. And then later on, after I dropped off my daughter at work, I went to the mall location to check out to see what they had. And I also wanted to go into my Victoria's Secret because online it says today is their last day of the sale. I don't know if it's just online or if the store is still going to have the sale items. I don't know. But I wanted to see if they had the new collection because on Reddit I saw that somebody posts a new collection, and I believe the one scent is like vanilla rebel, and then there's a cherry one, like a plum, and one other one I can't remember offhand, but I really want that collection. It's not online yet, but I just wanted to see if my store had it. If they did not. So, but I did go into Bath and Body Works at the mall and I found some really good stuff. So this is the first time I have found 75% off laundry soap. Every sale, like I'll see other people find them, the lowest I ever found laundry soap is 50% off, and that's like $10. So I want it to be cheaper. These are 75% off. They retail for $19.95. So I got them for like $4.99. So that's really exciting. It's not all the different scents. The only ones at my store were the French Mimosa. I believe that's how you say it. These were the only ones 75% off, like Vanilla Suede and Amber Blush. Those are still 50. But this one says it's Mimosa Blossom, Lavender, and Vanilla Cream. To me, it just smells like laundry detergent. Maybe a little lavender. The store associate, she actually grabbed herself the scent beads and the laundry detergent as well because I was so excited. And she goes, yeah, that actually is a really good deal. And she said she could smell the vanilla. I really don't. I just think it smells like a clean, like laundry detergent. And I have tried their laundry detergent a long time ago. Ooh, actually, in the actual detergent, I feel like it's a little sweeter. Maybe I do get more of the vanilla in the detergent. But a long time ago, I tried their laundry detergent, and I wasn't that impressed because I remember it not really sticking to the clothes like I would want to, especially if I paid $20 for one, I would want it to stick to my clothes. But we'll see. Maybe they made their formula a little stronger. So hopefully, I'll definitely update you guys in an empties video. And then I did pick up 3 single wick candles. Did not get 3 wicks just because there wasn't really any 3 wicks that I wanted. But I did find berry waffle cone. The first store I went to was sold out, and I'm very excited to get this for $3.99. And this one is sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. Such an interesting scent. I feel like you could actually smell the waffle cone. and the vanilla with a hint of berry. It's like mostly that waffle cone. And I've never owned a berry waffle cone before, so I'm really excited that I got this, especially in this packaging. And then I picked up strawberry daiquiri as well. I love the packaging. Oh, so cute. Frozen strawberries, sweet simple syrup, shot of tropical rum, and zesty citrus twist. It's just like a sweet, kind of juicy, almost citrusy strawberry. I think it's really good. So I'm happy to have gotten those. So I did end up getting a lot of these in this collection. And prior to the sale, I did end up getting the orange punch one and then the raspberry snow cone one. And my store, like the second store I went to, had them all, like every single one. They had the main, or which one? They also had the island margarita, which I did not get because I do have that in a 3-wick, but it's so cute. And then the last item I picked up in a single wick is the Easter candy basket. So this is a lone candle. There was no other Easter candles. And the top is so cute. And this one retails for $16.95. So I paid $4.24 for this. And it is cute, the Easter candy basket. I believe this was new for this year. Sugar coated jelly beans, orange vanilla cream. I feel like it's a little light, but I also smelled a bunch of other candles. But I do get like that creamy orange in here. I don't know. It's cute, and I'm happy that I found an Easter candle because I did not pick up any Easter candles this past Easter. I do have an Easter candle that I found last semi-annual sale winter. So it's cool that I found another one at a semi-annual sale. So I picked up how many candles today? 1, 2, 3-wick, 7 single wick, laundry soap. Let me tell you how much I spent at the second location. So the second location, my discount was $66.55, and I ended up spending $24.14. So today I spent around, I don't know, like $68. So that was kind of a lot, but I got a ton of stuff. I really did. And um now I'm just gonna wait, like I said, for the soaps and wallflowers to go 75% off, and then of course waiting for Halloween. I know a lot of people got their ice cream float body care bundle from the TikTok shop. I did not order it because it said it wasn't going to come till like July 2nd, so I didn't order it. But people are starting to get their package now. But that's okay because I have 3 rewards and I want to use my rewards for those. And the only other thing that I'm interested in for Halloween is like the pocket bag holders because I like collecting them, and like lip glosses, hand creams. But and that's I think it's Monday. I think the 30th is Monday, so we'll have the online early access. So that's crazy. It's so close. So I feel like we're gonna see hand soaps and the wallflower refills go 75 off soon, honestly, because they're going to want to get those cleared out. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you guys shop today? Did you guys pick up any candles, or are you completely set, all done? I would love to know. But anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.